The first part of the Sony NEX Fs100u is the lens. The same lens that comes on the kit, the one that's 6 weeks back ordered. Shotgun mic, can't wait to see how it compares to the AT897. And of course, more of those wonderful things that fill in the only empty space left in your camera bag. There it is, our handy microphone windscreen. RTFM? Not us, but we'll hold on to them just in case. A convenient magnifying LCD eyepiece, also included. Included remote control. Oh yeah, and the zoom button is real useful considering there's no auto zoom on the camera. Battery charger / camera power. This little box does it all with just a switch. The microphone holder that attaches directly to the camera. And finally, the camera itself. LCD screen with a 180-degree swivel. Tons of buttons. Don't be fooled though, some of these are duplicates for ease of use. All together, it's beautiful.